Hello everyone, welcome for today's reading tutorial for beginning readers. Today, another sound will be learned. Are you ready to learn? That's right! But before that, let's first review. Let us say the sound of the following letters presented. This is A, S, E, R, D, I, This sound is, once again, O, B, G, Ch, Sh. This sound is That's right. What did you see on the video? Yes, you are correct. It's a dancing watermelon. This is a watermelon. The word watermelon starts with the sound W. This sound is W. Very good. Our new sound for today is the sound W. Once again, W. Very good. Now, your turn. That's great. Let's say it together. W. Once again, W. Very good. Today, I am going to read to you a story about summer and winter, written by Andrew Finkel. So I want you to listen because after this, I am going to ask you a question. Are you ready? That's right. Here's how it goes. Summer and winter. When it was summer, Wayne went to the beach for a week. Wayne swam in the water. Wayne watched the waves. Wayne walked by the water. When it was winter, Wayne went to the woods for a week. Wayne wore warm clothes. Wayne watched from his window. Wayne saw wild animals. So, do you like the story? That's right. Here's the question number 1. Who went to the beach? You are great. It's Wayne. Next question. When summer, what did Wayne do at the beach? Yes, you are correct. The first thing Wayne do at the beach is swim in the water, watch the waves, and lastly, walk by the water. That's great. Next question. When it was winter, what did he do? You are correct. First thing he do is went to the woods for a week. Then, wore warm clothes. Next is watch from his window. And lastly, what did he saw? Yes, you are correct. He saw wild animals. Now let us read the words that begins with the sound W. Wild, water, winter, walked, waves, week. Now the word wild starts with the sound W. The one that is in the red box has the sound W. Very good. Next word is winter. The word winter starts with what sound? Yes, you are great. It starts with W. Very good. Next word is waves. The word waves begins with what sound? Yes, you are great. It starts with the sound W. Next word is water. The word water starts with what sound? Yes, you are great. It starts with W. Very good. Next word is walked. The word walked starts with what sound? Yes, you are great. It starts with the sound W. This is W. Next word is week. The word week starts with what sound? You are correct. It starts with the sound W. Very good. Next group of words coming from the short story is week, window, watch, wild, war, and warm. The word week starts with what sound? You are correct. It starts with W. The word watch starts with what sound? Yes, you are great. It starts with W. How about the word war? It starts with what sound? You are correct. It starts with woo. Next word is window. The word window starts with what sound? Yay, you are great. It starts with woo. Next word is wild. The word wild starts with what sound? You are correct. It starts with woo. This is woo. Next word is warm. The word warm starts with what sound? Yay, you are great. It starts with the sound woo. This is woo. Next word is the word wane. The word wane starts with what sound? You are correct. It starts with the sound woo. This is woo. Very good. Let's try. Is this woo? Yes, you are great. Is this woo? Yay, you are correct. Is this woo? Oh no. Is this woo? Yes, you are great. Let's sound it again. Our sound for today is, what sound is this? You are great. This sound is woo. Now your turn. That's great. Let's say it together. Woo. This sound is woo. Very good. Thank you so much for listening. I hope you learned a lot today. See you again next time for another sound. Bye-bye.